All right, here we go with Simplified series OLED images. Part 1 is making a new file for a single image, and then we'll do one for a stacked image for animations. Okay, so first thing you do is you make a new file. OLED displays are typically 128 wide. A single frame is 32 pixels high. Resolution 96 is fine. And end result is going to be a bitmap. So you say, well, why don't we just put this bitmap 1 bit? Because you can't work in the file with any layers or text tools or any stuff really. It's very limited. So you need to be in grayscale 8-bit. We're going to process it later down to 1 bit. You're going to set this to grayscale to 8-bit. And you say, okay. And there it is. You zoom in. And this is where you can start doing stuff. Let's say we're going to make a very simple clash. Maybe we should select it first. Boom. And boom. And that's it. And it says clash. And from here, you would go to part 3, export. All right. Now we're going to do part B. We're going to go to make an animated image, which is stacked frames on top of each other. Okay. So let's say we want 24 frames of 32 high. So what we really want is some math. 24 by 32. So our height's going to be 768. So let's make it that tall. To 768. All this stays. Yep. Okay, here's our long image. It's going to be stacked. You come to your slice tool and you right click in here and you're going to divide this slice horizontally into 32 pixels per slice. And there you go. And now you start doing animation on here, which I'll do in part 2.